Well, this is our last day of filming the workshop at the Flea Market Flip Show. So, what do I do when I go there to work? Let me show you what I do. First thing is I want to get my toolbox that I made for the show and make sure my tools are in order. This is my toolbox. I made my toolbox so that I could work here. Then when it's time to work on the show, I could bring it there, put it on the bench, work, come back and put it back on my bench and get right back to work. First thing I want to do is make sure that all my tools I have everything I need and everything's ready to go. This dolly is made special to hold my toolbox. My toolbox is made so it can fit right into the dolly. There's a little hole right there. So I just sit it down between these cleats and slide it in, and it's ready to go.
Fly me to the moon, let me swing on the star. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, in other words, baby, kiss me.
These are the shirts I wear. Although in the dark the shirt looks pretty clean. Worn them so many times they're all pretty badly stained up. So we go inside. Good morning, Sue.
Good morning, Mark.
I have a present for you here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, and I'm just filming you saying hello to me. How are you, Sue?
Great.
Good. I missed
So
you.
now that you're here.
That's our executive producer, Sue. I get to talk with her like that because I know we're so good. Good morning.
Hello, Mark.
How are you?
Let me help. Hold on.
Good morning. Oh, I'm good.
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm good. Good.
How are you?
Good.
Oh,
How are
my
you?
God.
Alex.
How are you?
How are out, Al?
Uh-oh. You good?
Good morning, guys. Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. This is where it all happens. Okay. Time to get ready. Going to my locker. Okay, this is what I do in here. Put on my shirt. Then the Old Spice. Nice big splash. Wet your hands. Go like this. You go. Nothing wakes you up more than that. Brennan, he's had his hands under probably more people's shirts than anybody I've ever seen. Right?
Yeah, mostly that.
Right. So, well, we won't say that too loud. That doesn't matter. Good morning. Igor, say good morning. How are you? What's your name?
I'm Carly. Hi.
Carly, what do you do here?
I'm a logger.
A logger?
Yes, I type everything.
Oh,
What'd you
good.
say?
Good. Where's your saws?
Saws.
Yeah. Let me get your picture.
Nope.
Say hello.
It's gonna be a pre-OTF.
Live there, screwdrivers, squares, tape measures over there. You need like a little piece of hardwood or a little sort of accent thing. We have these like sticks in it.
We're putting hen and chicks in the chicken coop.
Oh, that is rich. That is rich. And then even
I want to know, can we do it this peach color?
We can do whatever you like. I trust you completely on this.
All right. Starting from the beginning. Here we go, guys. And 3, 2, 1.
All right, guys.
All right.
What do we have here?
Can work on this. It's a piece of no, just inches.
it's not gonna be a piece of cotton.
Let's start over with that. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Hi, good. How are you?
Great.
No, Joe, we need that back.
And Mark, could you do that noise again when it's going down into the
Sure.
This is what you don't want to eat for
No pictures, no pictures. Oh.
Welcome to Flea Market Flip. My name is Sam Salerno. I'm a big fan of Mark DeVito. He's the best!
Lunchtime. This is where we get our stuff to eat for lunch.
Hey! Hi!
This is everybody that's going to be eating it too.
Barbecue!
Gabby, can you do that again?
When the colors change, the time paint is going on, we gotta fill it for the time. So
The crowd goes wild!
Oh my God! But Alex is going for the Old Spice Challenge. He knows the procedure. The wetting of the hands. The application of the Old Spice. And the smack.
there's lots of us here.
We're wide awake, right?
We're awake now.
Works every time.
All right, how's everyone feeling? Good? Yeah. All right, any other
Let me swing among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby.
Well, this is what it's like at the end of the day. The last project still getting put together. She's just walking around with her rubber mallet. She's had about enough. There's my secret message. Nah. TJ, my girl. There goes David over there. David Dahl, the metal guy. Here's Alex finishing up his spray. Now we just got to clean up this room, right? There's David Dahl.
Yeah, just I have to.
The men on the mission.